Hello.
Hi.
Level 3, variations, Brian Val.
We spent a lot of time today contextualizing all the variations we've learned so far into social dancing. We talked about what it feels like, how it makes things change, and how to adapt to that.
And how you may choose which variation to do. We don't necessarily plan eight counts ahead what variations we are going to do. Oftentimes we draw inspiration from the music, from your partner, where you end up, where it may work a little bit better.
Yeah.
So we tried that and made observations and shared those observations.
A lot of exploration. And then we learned a new little variation. It's just like a
Hopa,
double
hopa.
rock-a-steppy, and it was June. Hey, ba-ba-zee-ga-da-ba-ba-ba. Hey, a-boom.
We talked about how followers you don't really want to come forward right away. You want to hit the shape and wait a little bit. Leaders don't Gangnam style.
Yeah, this goes behind.
Yeah.
And that's what we did.
Thanks. Bye.